Boris Flynn. Scores of cars and vans took to the roads of Matlock today to protest against ongoing cuts to the NHS in Derbyshire. Organisers of the procession say they understand the need for public savings, but feel too much has been taken out of health and hope next week's budget will redress that. Hannah Meredith reports.
A cavalcade of around 40 vehicles through Matlock heading to County Hall, with campaigners celebrating the NHS whilst fighting for its survival.
Bolsover Hospital is closed, Babington Hospital in Belper is closing, Royal Derby will lose wards, GP surgeries are under threat because of funding. So we are most concerned about this.
Earlier this year, controversial plans were approved to close 2 community hospitals in Derbyshire. Today, protesters say they're hoping next week's budget will redress the balance, not just locally, but nationally, in favour of more funding.
Ordinary people still get their health care provided due to very hard work by local health workers. They don't realise that it's actually crumbling because of lack of funding year on year.
A third of the beds in Derbyshire are planned to be cut, and that's at a time when demand is increasing.
As a patient and as a carer, I see it on a daily basis. I see the silent suffering that this is causing, and we need to make sure people know about it.
The NHS will survive only as long as people have the faith to fight for it.
Rally organisers told us they invited a number of key players locally, none of whom turned up. And whilst the Department of Health didn't respond to our request for comment, campaigners hope the Chancellor's listening.
The money's there, Philip. I mean, I've looked at the books. The money is there. Spend it wisely.